going to show you guys how I tie my self-tending Blake's Hitch closed system MRS DRT moving rope system double rope technique. I'm going to take 12 feet of tail here, and then right in here I'm going to tie a clove hitch at that 12-foot mark. Okay, and then what I could do right here is just tie the Blake's hitch and put a stopper knot in it, and then as I pull myself up, I could slide my Blake's hitch up. But I'll show you how I set this up so that I have a Blake's hitch tending my Blake's hitch. So I'm going to do four wraps, 3 or 4 wraps over my thumb. 4 works better with my rope. And then I'm going to cross this bridge here and go up through those wraps around my thumb. Pull on your bridge and then pull on your tail. And then I could weight this to make sure it's going to grab. So that's grabbing for me good. But then I can still slide it up. I like it a little tighter so I don't drop it all. And now what I'm going to do is tie a Blake's hitch over here, because as I pull this down, the Blake's hitch over here with the bridge is going to pull this one up. I'm just going to make this really short so that I don't have to slide this Blake's hitch up. So this is my self-tending side. I'm going to go 3 wraps over my thumb, 2 wraps above that, and then I'm going to cross over the bridge right here, and then come up through those 3. Okay, that's a little tighter now. Throw a stopper knot in here. Figure 8. And now as I pull down on this side, this is going to pull this up right here. So I'm hip thrusting up. Don't have to slide my Blake's hitch. I'm making small moves here. The one disadvantage of the DRT MRS is you can't make much progress like you can with SRT climbing. So I'm just making small moves here, pulling my line up, sit back into it. I could probably slide this a little, not lose as much. See in here though, as I pull this down, I'm pulling it up as this line goes up.